Hi, I'm Jamie Wright, Product Specialist for TEREX Construction Americas. Today we're going to talk about the features and benefits of our skid steer loader line. We have 8 models of skid steer loaders ranging from 50 horsepower through 83 horsepower and 1,500 pounds of rated operating capacity through 3,000 pounds. We have 4 radius lift machines and 4 vertical lift machines that we'd like to talk about today. TEREX vertical path skid steer loaders are designed to give operators more power and productivity during operation and are built to keep working when and where others can't. Our loaders are designed to be more productive than other brands thanks to their high ground clearances and rear angle of departure, high travel speeds, increased fuel capacities, strong tractive effort, and mechanical phased axle seals. The TSV50 skid steer loader is a 50 horsepower, 2,000 pound lift capacity machine with a lift height of 118 inches and 30 inches of reach. The TSV60 uses the same frame as the TSV50 with a 60 horsepower turbocharged engine for enhanced performance. The TSR50 loader has 17.1 gallons of auxiliary hydraulic flow at 3,335 psi of pressure. All TEREX skid steer loaders are equipped with a hydraulic pressure relief valve to easily attach hydraulic connections. TEREX skid steer loaders can be equipped with an 8-pin electrical connection to interface with electric over hydraulic attachments, such as snowblowers and landscape rakes. The knee area on the TEREX skid steer loader is vital for overall strength of the boom. TEREX has also designed this area to provide excellent visibility for the operator. For increased versatility, the loader arms on the TEREX models are designed to easily accommodate over-the-wheel steel tracks. Our boom design allows ample clearance of the wheels, and spacers are not required when over-the-tire tracks are installed. All TEREX skid steer loaders come standard with flag pins and bushings, which retains the pin and keeps it from spinning inside the bushing. This translates to added strength and durability. All boom pins and pivot points have external grease zerks for fast and easy service. TEREX loaders are designed to make it easy for operators to tie down a unit for transportation without having to reach under the machine. The loader boom stop transfers the forces produced by digging through the frame rather than the boom pins, extending the life of the boom pins. The valve stems on the TEREX skid steer loaders are protected with steel shrouds to reduce breakage or damage when working in rocky conditions. All TEREX skid steer loader wheels are reversible, allowing the unit to change configurations by 6 inches for narrow applications. Thanks to its unique boom design and reversing wheels, spacers are not required on these loaders when installing over-the-tire tracks. Mechanically phased axle seals prevent job site materials like dust, mud, or sand from getting into the axle bearings, protecting these components from premature wear or failure. These phase seals are independently lubricated inside the pod, minimizing downtime for routine maintenance or costly repairs. The TEREX bow tie drive system uses 80 ANSI pre-stretched chains for long life and durability. Our 50 and 60 horsepower loaders use Rexroth drive motors that produce 8,500 pounds of tractive effort. For quick cycle times, this powerful drivetrain is available with a 2-speed option to propel these loaders to the fastest top speeds in their class, up to 12 miles an hour. A heavy-duty timing link and torque tubes are incorporated into the boom design to eliminate lateral movement of the boom while it is being raised and lowered. The boom lock is conveniently located on the machine for easy access and keeps the boom safely locked during servicing of the unit. Boasting 29 degrees rear angle of departure means TEREX skid steer loaders have additional clearance for backing out of excavations and loading onto trailers. TEREX's industry-leading 10 inches of ground clearance gives our skid steer loaders the ability to push through soft underfoot conditions and reduces the chance of getting hung up or causing belly pan damage. The belly pan on the TEREX skid steer loaders is designed to allow access to the underside of the engine and hydraulics, making cleaning and other than normal maintenance easier. The rear bumper on these units allow for easy access to tie downs when chaining the unit for transportation. The low profile, high output air conditioning unit on TEREX loaders does not affect the overall height of these machines and is placed so it does not impede visibility. The angled rear hood allows superior visibility to the rear of the skid steer loader when backing up. A heavy-duty rear door on TEREX loaders protects the cooler from damage. A swing-out cooler allows for easy access to the engine compartment for cleaning and routine service checks. The hose routing for the cooler is designed to slide out when the rear door is opened. By removing the two bolts, the cooler swings away from the door to accommodate cleaning. TEREX uses side-by-side cooling, ensuring the engine coolant and the hydraulic cooler get the cool air they need when they need it. The engine compartment is designed for maximum convenience and easy access. Our loaders are engineered for one-side daily service checks of engine oil, air cleaner, hydraulic fluid, fuel filter and water separator, engine water level, belt tensioning, and fuel fill. TEREX 50 and 60 horsepower skid steer loaders have a fuel capacity of 25 gallons to run longer between refills. To make charging and jumping the loader's battery easy, a remote terminal is positioned in the rear engine compartment. Engine and hydraulic filters are designed to be within the operator's reach, making periodic maintenance fast and easy. The well-protected quick attach system reduces the amount of debris that gets trapped in the pivot areas. An optional hydraulic quick attach system is also available, allowing the operator to easily remove attachments from inside the cab. The tilt cylinders are well protected to reduce potential damage caused from job site debris. TEREX skid steer loaders all have tilt-up ROPs to accommodate maintenance and servicing of the machine's major components. The ROPs locks into position to protect the operator or mechanic during routine maintenance and service checks. Steel tubing is utilized throughout TEREX loaders to increase the lifespan of the hydraulic lines and to keep the belly pan area clean. Our heavy-duty boom design also incorporates a wide grid step that allows operators to enter and exit the cab safely. The three-point entry to the cab ensures stability and operator safety when getting in and out of the cab. Seat bars and seat belts are standard equipment in all TEREX skid steer loaders. Seat bars ensure that the hydraulic functions are locked out when the bar is raised. The rear window ensures an alternate exit from the cab. Simply pulling the tab releases the seal around the rear window, allowing the operator to exit out the rear window if an exit through the front of the machine is not possible. Adjustable suspension seats for improved operator comfort are an available option for these loaders. TEREX's suspension seats are easily adjusted to weight and height preferences of the operator. Analog, high visibility gauges gives the operator the ability to check engine and hydraulic status with one quick glance. Well-placed heat and air conditioning vents provide 360-degree cooling and heating capabilities in the cab. All TEREX skid steer loader cabs are engineered with a pressurized cab, reducing dust inside the cab for safe and clean operating environment. The cab filter is positioned at the highest point on the loader to reduce the amount of dust introduced into the machine during operation. The cab air filter is easily accessible for cleaning and replacement. Easy opening side windows offer excellent ventilation, and front wiper and washer are optional on all these loaders. Speed control is easily adjusted with a foot throttle, which is standard on all TEREX skid steer loaders. All of TEREX skid steer loaders are engineered with ISO pilot joystick controls for machine movement and boom and bucket functions. If the loader is equipped with optional 8-pin electrical connector and 2-speed transmission, these functions are easily initiated through the integrated joystick control. Magnetic float, which is enabled by lowering the boom till it stops and pushing the right joystick forward, is a standard feature on TEREX loaders. Proportional controls are also available for manipulating attachments such as grapple buckets and hammers. The new TEREX skid steer loaders boast some of the highest ground clearances and ground speeds in the industry, allowing our units to handle the toughest working conditions and push through areas our competitors cannot. Standard features like our mechanically faced axle seals extends life of the seals, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. High fuel capacities increase running time between refills. For ease of maintenance, all of our units have tilt-up ROPS and swing-out coolers. This, along with our positioning of daily service checkpoints, makes our unit very service-friendly. Additional features like auxiliary hydraulics with pressure relief button, 8-pin electrical connections, and joystick control are built in with the operator comfort and performance in mind.